Hey guys, if you are new to trade in this new unique world, so don't forget to subscribe this channel. Today I'm going to tell you about Macquarie trading platform. Macquarie Online Trading, a secure, easy to use online trading platform to manage your trading portfolio. The best thing is a lot of features, benefits, product information, and how to apply. Related articles are available here. If you directly want to apply, so directly click on apply now. What you are going to look at here, that Macquarie trading online platform is a asterisk required field. It means you have to first of all choose the account type. Here you have to choose an individual, joint, trust of self-managed super fund, company or business, incorporated, associate or bodies. Would you like to apply for margin loan with account? Yes or no. After this you have to choose it and you have to apply for it. This is a trading platform, but the important thing is that all applicants must declare they are in Australia at the time of application, and only Australian address will be accepted. This is a platform only for the Australian candidates, because who are living in the Australian country, they can only apply for this Macquarie trading platform. So hope if you are interested to join this platform, and if you belongs from the Australia country, so don't forget to join this platform and start your earning from today. Thanks for watching us. Subscribe us, take care, and just comment us what you would like to see the good in this video. Have a good day.